Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're someone who struggles with weak, brittle nails, or you're just looking to enhance the strength and health of your nails, I've got something special for you today. We're talking about the LONDONTOWN Strengthen and Repair Trio. This trio claims to offer strengthening, moisturizing care designed to promote healthy nail growth and repair damage. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive in and see if this set is the real deal for your nails. The LONDONTOWN Strengthen and Repair Trio comes with 3 key products, all designed to target specific needs for damaged nails. The set includes their signature liquid drops, each formulated with natural ingredients aimed at moisturizing and strengthening nails. If you're wondering about the ingredients, you're looking at a mix that includes nourishing oils and vitamins that are intended to not only hydrate the nails, but also promote healthier growth. It's packaged in a sleek, minimalist way, perfect for easy storage and access during your beauty routine. I've been testing out these products for a while now, and I'm eager to share how they performed in real life. First off, the application is straightforward. The liquid drops come in a small, easy-to-use bottle that makes it simple to control the amount you're applying to each nail. I use the drops in the morning and evening, massaging them gently into my nails and cuticles. There's no strong fragrance, so if you're sensitive to scents, this is a nice feature. The drops absorb quickly without leaving any greasy residue, making it easy to go about your day without worrying about sticky fingers. Now let's talk about results. Over the course of about 2 weeks, I noticed a definite improvement in both the texture and strength of my nails. They felt less brittle and more resilient. I also saw a reduction in nail breakage, which is always a win when you're working with delicate nails. One of the things I really appreciated was how soft my nails felt after the treatment. It's rare to find a product that both strengthens and moisturizes simultaneously, but this set seems to do that really well. However, it's not without a few drawbacks. The drops are effective, but if you're someone who prefers a more hands-on or immediate treatment, the liquid form might not be ideal. It requires a bit of patience. After all, you're waiting for results over time, and some may prefer a quicker fix. Also, while the set is effective, the price point is a little higher than some other nail treatments on the market. If you're on a budget, there are other alternatives out there that may suit your needs. So, is this trio worth the price? For the quality and performance, yes, it's a solid choice for those serious about improving their nail health. If you're dealing with damaged nails, this set could be a great addition to your routine. The moisturizing and strengthening formula is effective, and it certainly works in the long run. That said, if you're looking for a more immediate fix or something a bit more budget-friendly, you may want to consider other options. If you're new to nail treatments and looking for a way to repair and strengthen your nails, the LONDONTOWN Strengthen and Repair Trio could be a great starting point. Its blend of moisturizing and strengthening benefits works well for anyone needing a bit of extra care in their nail care routine. Before I wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Has anyone tried this trio yet? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Also, if you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this one. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.